well, if you're interested into a collaboration, there, we will have to, find people. You also have to find people maybe from the previous, place where you did your master, or maybe your ITM or UM. This is what researcher is supposed to do. It's not like asking me and I have to go and find you a collaborator. I can pull links for you, but I'm not familiar with the kind of research what you need. If I know, then I can go and get for everybody already. As a researcher, this is the initiative of individual, isn't it? It looks like we have, I think, we're just wanting to do very minimum kind of research. Yes, I mean, it's not wrong. You can continue to do that. Like, some of you, think many years already, practice team also the same, no research proposal to be submitted. To me, it's kind of like, it just, to me, it's just like no interest in research, okay? Because if you resubmitted a research proposal, it get rejected, then I can understand. Many areas. If you do not want to do lab-based research, I'm just thinking like, for example, even if I were to do a research on OSCE, for example, or PBL, okay, I can look at the students, maybe before and after. Maybe let's say a longitudinal study. Let's say students start PBL in year one, sem two, and then how do they feel about PBL? They understand about PBL. Then you monitor again in sem three, sem four, maybe up to sem six. Okay, so it could be a 2 years, collection of data, and then publish as like students' perception or understanding, or the acceptance of PBL in, let's say, in the pharmacy education as an example. So there are actually many areas of research, not necessarily have to be lab-based and using all the expensive equipment. Okay. Earlier years, I did a lot of research on medical education, nothing to do with pharmacy, but it's pharmacy related in the sense that we study about, OSCE. We even learn about like a reflective journal, how it actually affects the students' learning behavior and all this. So there are actually a lot. It doesn't necessarily have to be, in the lab based on what you do. If you have no special interest in your own area, then you can consider branching out to do something else. Okay, it can be education based. All right, so there are actually a lot of research that can be done. It's only whether we are actually having that research initiative.